Peace petals, welcome back to another video. It's another video.
Hey guys, it's Anna. This is not perfect unicorn.
Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Indigo Black, and today I'm going to talk to you about Florida water.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
So really, I'm going to show you how to make your own Florida water. I find with any ritual that you're doing, any intentions that you're setting, the most potent form of magic is using your own magic. Also, knowing if you don't know something, there's going to be a book out there, there's going to be a YouTube channel, there's going to be somebody you can talk to who has that experience. Take what resonates with you, leave the rest. Obviously, you know, if you feel the need to be careful, then maybe you should be careful. If you don't, then don't. But obviously, you should have clarity of intention. Don't be afraid to ask questions from those who've done this before, what advice they have for you, and then move accordingly, just so you have some groundwork. So Florida water, what is it known for? What does it do? Florida water was originally a cologne, a form of cologne, so they say, for men and women, so it's fairly neutral, but it work in hoodoo and other parts of like voodoo and Santeria. It is known for cleansing and protecting your aura, your home, cleansing for a spiritual bath, for cleansing your altar space, for cleansing your body and anointing yourself. And it's very powerful, but it's also very simple. Most of the ingredients in this Florida water are just herbs, essential oils, salts. Some people maybe charge them with crystals. I've charged it with moon water, maybe even sun water. Set some incantations, and that's about it. Some people add alcohol maybe and some preservative to keep it lasting, but Florida water is definitely something that you can make yourself and charge it up and make it that much more powerful. For those who are new to, you know, magic and you know, this aspect of spirituality and not having to, the whole purpose of my channel is to shift us from a consumer mindset into one of a creative mindset, and to co-create and use the things that are here to help us to tap into our abilities and to find a balanced space for those who, you know, may be conscious and like to eat meat, and you know, and that's what they like, or we're conscious and are more towards, you know, saving the earth and the planet and having cloth diapers and have something for you. Or if you're plant-based, then I may have something for you. If you're, you know, a musician, or if you're a mom, or if you're a dad, or whatever. This is specifically going though towards those who want to understand how to properly attract things in their aura, in their sacred space, how to protect themselves, and to be better attuned to their spirits. And their soul as well, because the two are different. So what I've personally done, and I'll show you my Florida water in a second, is before I take a spirit bath. So a spirit bath essentially is just a way to submerge yourself into water and to cleanse your body, to cleanse your aura and all your other levels of bodies, which I'll speak about more in detail in another video. But we are not just a physical being. We are, as you would hear commonly, a soul having a physical experience, or a spirit having a physical experience, or a divine energy having a physical experience. We have multiple levels of existence occurring simultaneously, and sometimes when you're around other people and you're in a certain environment, you have a certain mental state, just like when you kind of stand in the shower after these experiences and just stand there, you get that kind of relief and cleansing. A spirit bath kind of takes that to the next level and just brings you back into a vibration of alignment and harmony. And you can charge it and use it for meditation and so many other things. You can look into that yourself and do some research. But so for me, before I take a spirit bath, I cleanse my space. So I make sure my bathroom is clean, clean the floors. If I need to, scrub the walls. I spray, make sure it's sprayed good. There's no trash around. There's no, the rug is clean and washed, so I'm on a fresh rug. Everything is clean in my bathroom. And then I take a shower first. So I make sure I don't have no dirt on me. If I'm going to wash my hair, if I'm going to cleanse my body, all of that, I want to make sure that I'm purified and cleaned if I want to, whatever it is I'm going to do. Then I clean the bathtub and the shower before I take a bath. As my bath is running, I have some, I personally use crystal sounds, so I'll use sound bath. I'm sorry, baby's crying. I use a sound bath going in the background, so I use that. While I have myself in a meditative state of setting intention while the water is running. So I'm charging the water indirectly. I call upon my guides, my higher self, the elements. All I do my ritual process. I add my crystals into the water after I add my salt. I may add an essential oil or two, and then I'll choose to add herbs of my choosing. So maybe I'll use chamomile, or I'll use some eucalyptus essential oil, and I'll add some rose petals, depending on what it is I'm trying to attract or manifest or clear out. If I'm trying to attract something, it's different than when I'm trying to repel something or release something. Usually when I'm releasing, I let the water be clear. When I'm attracting something, I put more stuff in it. And I have my crystals in there, and I'll charge them with that playing and with the salt and the herbs. So I collect some of the water before I get in the bath, and I save it, right? After I have it charging for a while, and I soak and I say my mantras and I do my process while I'm in that bath of meditation, I collect a little bit more of that water. And I add some preservative in there, and then I store it and I sit it on my altar and I let it charge. That's how I make my Florida water. That's it. There's so many different ways to make Florida water, but this is the way that's worked for me. I also have Florida water that I bought, but I found that this one works so great, and I put it on myself. I anoint the back of my neck, which is a very intimate part that needs the most protection. My crown, or my forehead, my crown, wherever I put cologne. So behind my ears, my wrists, behind my knees. Let me check the one. This is my Florida water. I have it in a container. Okay, that I'll open for you. It's been charging for a while on my altar space, so it's very potent. You can see some of the herbs. It's very fragrant as well, and it works immediately. So there you go. Super easy, super simple. If you'd like for me to make a video demonstrating how I do this, I'll do it to the best of my ability, because I do get in my spirit bath and in my Florida water. Like I said, I collect a little bit before. If some people don't feel like it's hygienic or whatever to be in the water and collect it, just collect it beforehand and make your own batch on the stove or however you want to do it. You know, the point is to have that intention and to combine the right elements for you for whatever it is that you're trying to do. Peace. Thanks for watching.